Wait, did you know you can turn plain rice into soft, stretchy fufu? No yam, no cassava, just 1 cup of rice. I'm about to show you how to make the smoothest rice fufu you've ever seen. Trust me, once you try this, you'll keep making it every week. I will be using the golden seller basmati rice, but you can use any kind of rice you have. It will still turn out amazing. Start with 1 cup of rice. Rinse it several times until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in hot water for about 30 minutes. This helps to soften the grains so they blend smoothly later. The rice is now soft and ready to be transferred into a blender. I will be using my Daewoo blender. However, you can use any high power blender. Add a bit of water. I'm using the same water I used in soaking the rice. Blend until the texture is very smooth and creamy, similar to pancake batter. This quantity of rice is okay for 2 servings, but if you want more, use 2 cups of rice instead of 1. It's all the same process. If it's too thick, add a little more water until you get the perfect consistency. Now pour your blended rice into a pot and cook on very low heat. Don't forget to rinse out your blender. We don't like food wastage. Keep stirring and stirring and stirring. This part is your arm workout. You'll see the mixture start to thicken and solidify, and the lumps will begin to form. Don't panic, it's all part of the cooking process. Keep turning and pressing until the lumps disappear. We are getting there. The lumps are all gone. This next step is crucial for getting that smooth, stretchy texture. Add a little hot water. The quantity of water you add depends on how soft or firm you like your fufu. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 5 minutes on very low heat. This is the final stage. So I'm going to stir, turn, and fold the rice fufu until it becomes soft, stretchy, and completely smooth. If you have watched up to this point, thank you very much. And if this is your first time on this channel, please do consider subscribing. You'll love it here. Thank you. Wow, look at the texture. The texture is everything. So silky, so satisfying. So this is how to make rice fufu at home. Very simple, easy, and quick to make. I really hope you try this recipe. To complete this beautiful dish, serve your rice fufu with your favorite soup. Please let me know what soup you would like to pair this with in the comment section. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family. They're going to love it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.